So, sat sri akal dosto and welcome to Punjab Youth in Action. So, today in this video we are going to learn the sentence structure in Punjabi. So, we should start now. So, as you know, in English we have the word order of, or we can say sentence structure as subject plus verb plus object, but in Punjabi we don't follow that. In Punjabi the sentence structure we follow is subject plus object plus verb. So let's learn it with an example. We will take this example: I am eating ice cream. So if we follow the rule of Punjabi, that is subject plus object plus verb. Here subject is I, that is in Punjabi it will be main. Object is ice cream, kulfi, and verb is eat, kha. And it is in present continuous tense, that is eating. So we will put in the end of sentence reha. So I am eating ice cream. Main subject I, kulfi object ice cream, kha it is verb, that is eat, reha ha or reha. So main kulfi kha reha, I am eating ice cream. So that's how we will do it. So let's take some other examples. Kids are playing football. So let's say kids, it's jawak, are playing. It is kid and football is object. So let's do it in Punjabi. Jawak, football, kid rahe ne. Jawak is kids, that is subject. Football is object, and kid means to play, that is verb. So rahe ne, it's a continuous. So kids are playing football. Bacche football khel rahe ne. Sometimes object is not present, so we don't have any object. So that way we will follow the rule of subject plus verbs. So let's take example. I am sleeping. I, main, and sleep is so. So in Punjabi we will say main so reha. Main is subject, so is verb, and reha that is continuous. It is a continuous tense. So I am sleeping, main so reha. And let's say I am crying. So let's you try. I will give you example. I means main and cry means ro. So try to make a sentence in Punjabi. I am crying. It would be main ro reha. If you are a girl, then you will say main ro rahiya. Reha for boys and rahiya for girls. Let's try some other examples. I drank water. So I will be main and drank will be pita and water is pani. So main pani pita. Subject main, pani is object, and pita is verb. So now there's a sentence for you to translate. So it is I ate soup. So try to do it in Punjabi. So it will be main soup khata. So let's try some other examples. Jack and Jone are swimming. So and is ate. So Jack and Jone. And swim is तैर. So Jack and Jone are swimming. Jack ਅਤੇ Jone तैर ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. You try to translate some sentences. So you are driving a car. So you is ਤੁਸੀਂ and car is same and drive is चला. So let's try to make sentence. So it will be ਤੁਸੀਂ car ਚਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. Baby is sleeping in the bed. So ਬੱਚਾ ਬੈੱਡ ਤੇ ਸੋ ਰਿਹਾ. ਬੱਚਾ ਬੈੱਡ ਤੇ means on, or in Punjabi we use if we have to say in bed, so we will say on bed, that is bed utte. So the kid is sleeping on the bed or in the bed. So ਬੱਚਾ bed utte so ਰਿਹਾ. So means to sleep, and te means te is short form for utte, that is mean on. So ਬੱਚਾ bed utte so ਰਿਹਾ. And sun shines, ਸੂਰਜ ਚਮਕਦਾ ਆ. I am watching the moon. So watch is देखना and moon is चंद. So I am watching moon. मैं चंद ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ or ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. So now here's a sentence for you to make. I am reading a book, and book is kitab. Read means in Punjabi pad, and I is मैं. So make a sentence. So yeah, it will be मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हाँ और पढ़ रहा. I am reading book. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा. So thanks friend for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos and make sure you click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload my video and you won't miss a video. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you go to see the things I don't post on YouTube. And you can follow me on Instagram at Punjab Youth in Action. And there's also link in description box. You can follow me on my social media from that. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and till then, Sat Sri Akal.